In this tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to add friends on Overwatch 2. To add friends on Overwatch 2, first open up your Overwatch 2 game and make sure that you're inside this page. Once you are, click on the social icon located at the top right hand corner right next to your username. This will then open up the Friends tab. To add new friends, click on Begin Adding Friends button in orange on the middle of the screen. In the text box that appears on the screen, enter an email address or a battle tag. After entering the details of the player you'd want to add, click on Send Request. Once the invitation has been sent, your friend should first accept the invitation so that you can add them as a friend on Overwatch 2. That is how you should be able to add friends on Overwatch 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.